Hello, I don't know what's happening. I hear noises outside, and I'm going to check if my friend is alright.
Oh my god, I think I hear something.
What is that?
I think I hear something.
Why is that door open? Oh my.
Oh no.
Okay, this is starting to creep me out a little bit. Okay. Whoa, I think I saw someone back there. Can you see that? Did you see that? Yeah, turn on the TV for some more light. Okay. So I'm heading back here. Everybody, this is my house at around 2 o'clock in the morning. I think I see someone. Hello? Ah! Oh my God! No! No! Please! Please! What? Oh no! Please! Please! I love you, Dad.
Winning both times. Oscar, you know, got it right. Everybody thinks Oscar was in that team that beat Ohio State. But he had graduated at that point, and that team graduated Ohio State.